In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in an Adobe Express template, including changing the wording, font, formatting, and colors. To get started, open the Adobe Express template you want to use. Once the template is on screen, click the text box you'd like to change. If you only need to edit part of the wording, highlight just that specific section of text instead. With the text highlighted, simply start typing your new text. Adobe Express replaces the selected wording immediately, so this is the quickest way to update a template with your own message. Quick side note, if you want more straightforward Adobe Express tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Now, with your text still selected, look over to the left panel. The first drop-down lets you choose the text style such as title, heading, or body. This helps keep your design's typography organized and consistent. Under that, use the second drop-down to browse and select the font style you want. If the font family you choose includes multiple variations, use the third drop-down to select a specific style you prefer, such as a regular, bold, or other available version. The next field lets you adjust the font size. You can increase it to make the text stand out more, or reduce it if you need it to fit neatly within the template. Below these fields, you'll find additional text formatting controls. Here you can apply bold, italic, underline, add a link, change the alignment, create bullet points, and use the other available formatting options to match the look you're going for. You'll also see color swatches. Click the first swatch to choose your font color. The swatch beside it can be used to add an outline to your text. If you use an outline, select the outline thickness button to control how thick or subtle that outline appears. And that's it. You've successfully edited text in an Adobe Express template.